Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a hotspot in our Samsung S22. To set up our hotspot, we need to go to Settings, then Connections, and somewhere here we have Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. And here it is. So we can enable our hotspot here. And when we open this function, this menu, we have our network's name, our password, and as you can see, we have no devices connected to it. Of course, we can change our network name, we can change our password if we want to, and don't forget to save after you do it. And that's it. Our hotspot is now set up. Very easy to do, very intuitive. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.